How to make your TikTok account private. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open TikTok application on your device. Log in with your account details. After that, simply click on profile icon at the bottom right corner. Once you do, you will be heading toward your profile. From there, click on three lines at the top right corner. After that, you will see the option of settings and privacy. Simply click on it and go to privacy. At the top, you will see the option of private account. Simply toggle that feature on to make your TikTok account private. Now, after you toggle this feature on, people will only be able to send you requests while following you. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorials. Thank you for watching till the end.